Now we're gonna make another black piece. Wait, no, blue. Yeah, don't be blue. I'm suing with you. Yeah, that video was really funny. Okay, now I have a block. I'm just gonna put a blue on top. Hold on, wait, actually, the color goes on the bottom. I wanna make them exactly the same. There. Now I put the blue over here. And now, I'm gonna put bottom one. No. I'm gonna put it at the bottom. Is it gonna even stick? Like the last one. There we go. Now I got water and electric. Now let's start making angel. This one is gonna be a special type. This one is white and black. So we got 2 white pieces, 2 black pieces, and an extra white for the top. Now, let's do this. Now. Black on top. And black on top. A white on the side. Oh wait. It goes down like this. No! It got broke. Okay. We're gonna need to put the white at the bottom. Another white at the bottom. There we go. Now we're gonna put another black on the next side, exactly the same as the other black on the other side. There we go. Now we're gonna put white on top. Dude, you dudes, this literally looks like checkers colors. It's literally checkers. And we're gonna put angel on the other side of water. Here we go. Got 3. Now I'm gonna make number 4. And I forgot. Wait, yeah, it's supposed to be dark. Actually, I came up with a new idea. Let's make lava. So I'm gonna make lava. So red, well, lightning red, another lightning red, lightning red. Wait, this is lightning orange, but it still looks like red. Kinda, right? Okay, but anyway. Because lava can, well actually, lava can be orange or red. Okay, well let's get the video on. Okay, now we want to get, okay, so black and another black. Now, we're gonna make sure that this looks like the FaZe logo. I'm just kidding. Hashtag FaZe. Hashtag FaZe swag. No, FaZe swag. Alright. You got that. Now I'm gonna put another red piece. Wait. I didn't need 4 pieces of red. I only needed 2. I need 3. Oh, there we go. Like that. And then I'm gonna put the red. Red here. There we go. Now, let's put it right here at the end. Hold on. I'm gonna put it on the pad down here because it's gonna be more easier since it's not up in the sky. And there we go. Now we got all colors. We got blue, number 1 contestant, blue, water, yellow, electric, white, angel, red, lava, and yeah. Y'all yeet. It's raining tacos. Fam out of the sky. More like plus, 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 plus. Is. By the way, you guys, Plus Plus did not sponsor this video. I'm sorry, I wish it did. Okay, now I'm gonna put a cool thing in the middle, and I think it could be like a timer maybe. What should we put in the middle? I mean, we could put in a timer. Yeah, let's put a timer in the middle. Maybe like a stand. Okay, and now I'm gonna put another black piece on top of that. Oh, look at this. It looks like a wrestling piece. Should it be like them fighting for, okay. I'm gonna pretend like they're fighting for the new type of, a new type, and it's gonna be grass. And then it's gonna be covered in grass power. So wait. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Now I'm gonna do, I really wish you guys saw this. Well, I can put it on like this. And then these are gonna be force fields, and then they're gonna like connect as a block. Okay. Now.
I need some like flag or something.
Nah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a green piece here and a green piece here.
Kayla, where did mom go?
She went out with Grammy.
Like out?
Yeah. Like out to the store. Alright. There we go. And here we go. Hey guys, my blocks are kind of tilted for no reason. There. And then this is the battle arena for the new type. Alright you guys, you can come up with new ideas other than this, but I really like this creation. Maybe we should make a battle series of role plays. Let's get, no, not 15. Let's get 6 likes on this video if you want me to do role plays. And I'm gonna do more videos on this. I don't care what anybody says. Yeah. And wait, hold on. I forgot a topping for one of them. One of my characters. For the electric character. There we go. And yeah. Okay, you guys. I've got nothing other to say, but be cruising always. Goodbye, you guys. Peace.